Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll start session. So previous class just introduction discussed. Yes, introduction. Yes, yesterday class. What is software? System software, next application software. This concept discussed here. Next, what is waste? About waste discussed. Next, about front and back end discussed. Languages, low level and high level languages. Converting from high level language to low level language. Interpreter and compiler. Yes, about interpreter compiler. Up to this topic discussed yesterday. Interpreter and compiler. Up to this completed. Java depending on both compiler as well as interpreter. This topic also completed. Yes, in Java there is no exe file concept. No exe file concept in Java. Everything is dot class. Everything is dot class file. So these topics completed. Next features which we discuss. Yes, before going to features here. Yes, let us start installation today. Yes, installation. After installing, yes, we'll write one example here. Yes, after that you can understand clearly that features here. Yes, today let us go for Java installation. Today topic is installing Java. Okay, Java installation. Java installation. Next, Eclipse setup. Eclipse setup. Eclipse setup. Eclipse setup. Next steps to develop Java application. First program we'll discuss. Java application means first program. Okay, starting Java. Today all the software basics were discussed. So Java today starting Java. Okay. Today just starting Java. Yes, let's start. First Java installation. See command prompt. Get the command prompt Java C. Yes, it's working. Java C, Java compiler. Yes, it's working. See, it's working. So Java C. Yes, it's working. So let us remove. Yes, existing setup. Let us remove existing setup. Just applications. Application search for applications, applications and features. Here Java. Java uninstall. Yes, uninstalling Java. Yes. Just I'm clearing existing setup. Yes, Java uninstall. Yes, already yes, some program is running. Yes, that previous one going on, it's going on. Just wait for a second. Yes, uninstall. Say yes. Yes, uninstalling. Now it's uninstalling. Yes, done. Uninstallation is over. Yes, now go to command prompt. Get the command prompt. Check for Java C is not recognized internal or external commands. Yes, don't have Java. In my system, don't have Java. Yes, everything. Okay, everything is clean. No Java. Okay. So Java C. When you're trying for Java command, Java C means Java compiler. Java C means Java compiler. Java C is not recognized internal or external command, means that command is not there. Means don't have Java. Yes, Java removed. Okay. Yes, uninstalled. Next, one more thing here. One second. Advanced system settings. Let me remove variables also. Yes, variable Java home. Delete path. Edit Java paths. Java home bin. Delete. Okay. 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 Done. Cleaned. Nothing is in system here. No Java software, no environment, nothing. Everything is cleared. System cleared. System cleared here. CMD command prompt. Yes, Java C command not found. Okay, command not found. Don't have Java. One second. Yes, don't have Java. Fine. Now how to install Java? Yes, JDK software. Let us start with Java 8. First we'll start with Java 8, next 9, 11 and 13. So one by one. See here, their softwares. Softwares. See, Java, core Java. Yes, they are the softwares I'll be sharing with you. So these softwares I'll be sharing with you. Yes, JDK 8. First take JDK 8, next 9 also I'll share it. JDK 8, Eclipse, and your class document. After finishing installation today I'll share it. Today by 11 o'clock you can see in your Gmail. Yes, 8, JDK 8, Eclipse, and Java your document, class documents. Java class documents. Okay. Yes. So these things sharing here. Yes. How to download this one here? How to download JDK8 Eclipse? I'll be sharing to your Gmail. Yes. Don't go to Gmail. See, it's a Gmail, right? Don't go to Gmail. Yes. In Gmail you can see that mail alert. In Gmail you can see mail alert here. Don't go to Gmail. Go to Google Drive. Drive. Here it's a Drive. So Drive. This is the Gmail and Drive, right? Drive. Try for Drive. Yes, Drive. Open the Drive. Open the Drive. In Drive here, shade with me. Here there is shade with me option. Shade with me. Shade with me. Here you can see your softwares. All the softwares. Shade with me. Here you can see all the softwares. All the software like JDK 8. You can see JDK 8. Next Java documents. Java documents. Next Eclipse. All of these things you can see like this. Okay. So right click on anything here. Suppose if you want JDK downloading, right click download option. Yes, I'm giving download option also. You can download it. Download. Select your files, whichever you want. Download it here. Download it. JDK 8, Eclipse, and your class document. Yes, all of this is download. Okay. Yes, try from the Google Drive. Yes, go to Google Drive. Don't try from the Gmail. From Gmail you can't download. From Gmail you can't download. You should try from the Drive only. Go to Drive. Go to Drive. Go to Drive. Here there is shade with me. Shade with me. Here you can see all that. Shade with me. Here you can see. Shade with me. Here you can see all this. So right click on your files. Then download option. That's it. Okay, just download option. Right click on it. Download option. That's it. So once you download here, yes, getting right, getting into here. Some JDK 8 here. So downloading into this folder. After downloading this folder, downloads folder. So once you download it here, yes, go to downloads folder. In downloads folder, you can see all this. In downloads folder, you can see all this. Downloads folder. Okay. Yes, copy. Yes, copy from the downloads folder. Copy and paste in C drive. Paste in C drive. See JDK 8. Yes, already available here. Next Eclipse. Eclipse JDK 8 is available here. Okay. So you can C drive is recommended for all softwares. C drive is recommended. Document you can store anywhere. That is your wish. But softwares, C drive is recommended. C drive is recommended. 1 second. Yes. One shot. Select. Okay. Left hand. Select. Yes. Audio while joining. Select audio while joining. Select audio. Select audio while joining. Yes. Now she is okay. Fine. Yes. So placing the C drive. So about JDK here, JDK 8 and 9 is there. So 8. First we'll start with 8 here. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Steps to set up in documents. I have prepared very clearly. In documents. Yes, installing Java and setting paths. Installing Java. In document it's said very clearly. In Java installation is very clearly. Yes, installing Java. Place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. It's already placed here, right? Next word, double click, next finish. Double click, next close. Double click, next close. So double click here, JDK 8. Double click, double click. Say yes. After double click, next yes. Double click, say yes. Yes, now here this next option, next. See Java SE development kit. Develop JDK development kit. So click on next. See install to that location C drive, program files, Java JDK 1.8, right? See that location, C drive program files. Let us check it. C drive program files. Yes, C drive program files. C drive program files means this Java folder, right? Here this Java folder. C drive program files, Java folder. In program files, check it Java folder here. JetBrains. No, don't have Java folder. Don't have Java folder. Means now it will generate. So click on next. See the Java folder here. Yes, here you can see Java folder generating. Yes, generated now. Generated Java folder generated time 7:51 p.m. Yes, 5th August 5/8 5th August 7:51 p.m. Just now Java folder generated. Java folder generated. Open that folder, you can see JDK, right? The JDK generated. JDK, right? Yes, after that, what is next step? See this next now JRE. JDK generated. Now it's generating JRE. Generating JRE. So click on next. JDK, JRE, JVM. The differences we'll discuss. I'll explain clearly. What's the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? Yes, we have separate topic on that. I'll explain. Now installing Java. Yes, installing Java. See, develop JDK Java development kit 8 successfully installed. Close. Yes, installation is done. Over. After installation, what is next step here? See here, double click next close. Next setting environment variables. Next you have to set the environment variables here. So how to set the environment variables here? See here, environment variables. This PC, right? This PC. Right click on it, properties. Go to properties. Right click on this PC, then properties. Select properties. Select properties. Right click on this PC, then select properties. properties. Once this actually this is not properties window. Yes, in my system something was happened today morning. That's the reason not getting properties. Yes, how to get properties? I'll show that. See here, this is not properties. This is not properties. So this is properties. Windows 10. Right click on this PC. Properties means you can see window like this. Yes, right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Select properties. Okay. So right click on this PC. Select properties. Once you selected properties here, you can see this window. In this window here they say advanced system settings option. After getting this window, advanced system settings. Yes, same thing. Just I'm searching from the search. Advanced system settings here. From this I'm searching. Okay, advanced system settings. Once you click on this one here, once you click on advanced system settings, you can see next window like this. Next window like this. So this is next window. Okay, next window. So system properties advanced. Advanced, see this advanced. Yes, here this environment variables option. Okay, see that same thing. That prepared in document very clear that it's red color marked, right? Marked. This is so marking this is okay. So environment variables here. Select this. Select environment variables. Click here. Click on environment variables. Select this. After that, now see that environment variables. Environment variables. There are two things in this. First one, user variable for MN user variables for MN Second one, system variables. First one, user variables for MN First one, user variables for MN Second one, system variables. What's the difference here? User variable, system variable. What's the difference here? User variable for MN is current login is MN Yes, in my system, current login is MN Now it's a MN current login is MN Current login is MN Okay. Suppose if you define variable here, variable that software working only current login. Suppose Java path, Java settings are done here. Suppose Java settings are done here. Then the Java software working only current login. Current login. Suppose if it is system variables, is the Java working for all users. Yes, in Windows system, multiple users can log in, multiple logins. In Windows space, you can create multiple logins, like a Linux space. Here also you can create multiple logins. Okay. Suppose if you define system level variable here, system variable, it's working system level means all users. All users can use. Suppose if you set up with user variables, only current user can use Java. Only current user can use Java. Other users cannot use. Other users. Yes, Windows login. Windows multiple logins. You can say Windows multiple logins. Windows login. See Windows login screen like this, right? Login screen. See Windows login screen. Okay, different logins, multiple logins. First login, next login. That list of logins. List of logins. Multiple logins. See this. First login, next login, like this list of logins. First login, next login, list of logins, multiple logins. List of logins you can see. Multiple logins, multiple users. Okay, multiple users. Yes. Yes, multiple logins. Yes, if it is system variable, if we set here, all users can use, all login users. Suppose if it is user variable, only current working user can use that here. Only current working user can use that Java software. Now better go for system variable. Yes, I will recommend system variable. Go to system variable. Go to system variable. Go to system variable. Here you can set it here. So how to set? First step is, what is first step? New. Select new variable name. Java paths. Yes, uppercase. Yes, Java paths. Java underscore path variable name. Java path. Next value. So variable name is Java path value. What's a value? See the Java path where Java installed in C drive, program files, Java, JDK1. This is Java path, JDK path. Copy this path, take this path, then paste here, that's it here. So variable name is Java path, variable value that location. Say okay, done, completed. Okay, see here, here's a new that variable name. Yes, Java underscore home. Variable name is Java underscore home. Value. So what's a value here? Value, these are values. Yes, C drive. Where Java install C drive. Program files. In program files Java. In your system also same location. JDK 1.8. So copy this path. here. And paste here. So we correct. See that. Java home. Sorry, not Java path. So delete. Java home. It's a Java home. Edit. If you want to modify again, edit. Okay. So you can delete. If you want to delete here. So new. See in this system variables, go to new. In new, yes, Java underscore home. Okay. Next tab, value. What's a value here? This is JDK value here. Copy these parts and paste. Okay. So click on OK. Enough. Java home is enough. Java home is enough. Okay. Same thing expand document as invariant variables. Yes, here go to system variables. Here's a new. Select new. New in this Java home. Use Java home. Will value the JDK 1.8, right? Value here. So variable name Java home. Value, these are value here. Just you copy from your system, copy and paste here. Java home and value like this. Next click on OK. Right? Then complete it. So Java home is over. So complete Java home is over. Okay. So after Java home, what is next step here? After Java home, next path. Here this is a path. After Java home, next path. Here path is already existed. That Windows OS path already exists. Edit that path. Go to edit. Yes, now what is this path here? This path, there are different paths here. See, this is Oracle path. Oracle database install my system. Path is set to Oracle database. This is also Oracle database. This is Windows OS paths. Next here, yes, Catalina home. This is for Tomcat server path. Scala. Yes, big data applications. I'm using Scala. So Scala path. This is Python path. This is Putty paths. So for different softwares, path required. No new path for Java here. New paths. Yes, percentage Java underscore home. That variable Java underscore home. Yes, next percentage \bin. Yes, what does it mean? 1 second. Let me copy this one. I'll explain. Just wait. What is this one here? Yes, I'll explain. Just a minute. Java home. Percentage Java underscore home. Percentage \bin. Okay. Click on OK. Then OK. Done. Completed. So I'm repeating once again. Yes, sir. Steps here. So first, right click on this PC. Yes, right click on this PC, properties. Once you click on properties, you can see that properties window. Once you select properties here, yes, you can see the properties. In that, advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. So next, advanced from this invariant variables. Next, invariant variables. Okay, after invariant variables, so next, see this. They're getting like this. Yes, here user variable for MN Rao and system variable. So I will advise system variables. So my recommendation is system variables. If it is system variable, all login users can use. Now system variable. Yes, in this. So first new. In this Java home, right? Java underscore home. Next tab automatically getting a value. So value is here. These are value, right? Java C drive, program files, Java folder, JDK 1.8, not JRE. Here JRE, JDK is a JDK. Go for JDK, not JRE. Go for JDK. So go for JDK. Copy and paste here, right? Paste. Right, okay. Click on OK. So this is JDK, Java home, right? See here. What's the Java home value? This is a value. See percentage Java home, this is a value. Slash bin, right? It's slash bin, right? So Java home value is equal to this one, this value. Slash bin. Yes. Let me explain this one here. Yes, now here. After path edit. Don't delete paths. Yes, don't try to delete path. If you path deleted, your OS will not work. Don't delete path here. Path edit. Now add your Java path. See Java path, right? Suppose deleted Java path here. Now go to here. Yes, new. Now adding Java path. So percentage that Java underscore home, right? Java underscore home. Next percentage backslash bin. Yes, we get done. So okay, over. Completed. So environment setting is over. Okay. So new path, yes, Java home completed. Yes, next path variable, select path variable and edit. Path, select path, next edit, new. Here this new option, new. Yes, add that variable. Yes, in document very clearly it's there. In document it's there very clearly. It's there. Just to follow document. Click on OK. Finish, over. Next, setting Java path in Linux space. The topic will see next. Linux will see separately. Okay. Yes. See here how to check for Java installation and version. Checking for Java installation. Yes, CMD. Go to command prompt. At the command prompt here, Java. Yes, hyphen version. Yes, Java version. See this. Yes, Java installation is done. Yes, Java is available. Java version 1.8. Java C, it's working. Java compiler working, right? It's working fine. CLS, clear the screen. Now question is here, what's the purpose of path setting? That's a question. Interview question. Why Java path setting? Okay, we have to set the path. That's okay. What's the purpose of Java path setting? Here? See, suppose explicit command not found. Explicit command not found. Why it's getting command not found here? CLS is working fine. DR working fine. Okay. Yes. Java C working fine. Suppose if I say explicit command not found. So what's the reason? Let us see this. Path set path. Let us see path variable. So this is path variable. Set the paths. This is path variable. See the path variable. Yes, path variable. That path variable contains different paths. The path variable, there are different paths. See this. Path equal to. This is Oracle path. Up to semicolon is the first path. This is for Oracle commands. Oracle software purpose. This also for Oracle software purpose. For different software, different paths. Semicolon. Up to semicolon is a path. There are many paths available here. Many paths, semicolon. For every software there is separate path here. See this Tomcat paths up to semicolon. Yes, next this is Scala path. Scala bin. So next this is what Python path. Next this is some putty path. See Java path, where is Java path here? Yeah, this is Java path. C drive, program files, JDK 1.8 bin. This is Java paths. So this is Java path, right? It's a Java path. Now here, when executing explicit, why is looking for explicit at this path? At this path not available. Next at this path. Like this up to semicolon is one path here. Looking for explicit in all the locations, nowhere found. Command not found. Now Java C. Yes, is working. Yes, how it's working? Java C, it's working here. See Java C, looking for Java C inside of first path not found. Next path not found. Next. Nowhere here. Here, when this when come to C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1 part, it been right. This path. Okay. Now why is looking for Java C command at this path? C drive program files, JDK 1 point, it been right. See JDK 1 bin, see this bin, these are path right. This path. Get this path looking for Java C command. See, path is set to Java bin, right? Path is set to bin. See, here, Java home / bin, right? Java home, this value is equal to up to JDK 1.8. / bin, this is complete total path. This is complete path. This complete path. This path on this path, same, right? Now looking for Java C at this path. Yes, at this path it's available. At this path it's available. See that Java C, it is Java compiler. See all Java commands. Java, it is JVM, application JVM, Java JVM, Java C, Java compiler, jar command to create jar files, Java P, Java path, Java package. Like this, here there are, yes, there are different Java commands here, all the Java commands. So to identify the Java commands here, to identify location of Java commands, path required. Now Java C. Yes, now Java C. Now OS simply goes to that path location, picking that Java C command. Okay, in path, sin path, Java path is available. Sin path, Java path is also available. So go to bin location, picking. OS will pick Java C command, execute that shit here. Okay. Now question is, what's the purpose of path setting? What's the purpose of path setting? To identify the location of Java software. Yes, most important question is compulsory interview question. What's the purpose of path setting? What's the purpose of path setting? To identify the Java software. Not only for Java, even Python install, you have to set the path. Okay, you have to set the path. Okay, suppose Hadoop installed, you have to set the path. For every software, you have to set the path. Yes, suppose Python case, yes, at the time of installing Python itself, automate that will set the path. Python, suppose even Scala also, when installing Scala, that Scala at the time of software itself will set the path automatically. But Java, you have to set the path. Java is not automatic process. You have to set the path. Okay. So when you want to use any software, for any software, you have to set the path. Suppose Hadoop using for Hadoop path required. Hadoop bin directory. For Hadoop bin. Python bin. Yes, putty bin. Tomcat bin. Like this up to bin directory. You have to set the path. That's it. So here, what's the purpose of path setting? To identify the location of softwares. So this is question, compulsory question. What's the purpose of path? Yes, OS has to identify the location of Java software. OS has to identify the location of Java software. For that purpose, path setting required. Then completed. Over. So Java installation, Java path setting, over. So Java installation, Java path setting is over. Java working now fine. So what is next one? Yes, next is Eclipse. Eclipse. 1 second. Eclipse setup. Eclipse. Let me remove all the existing Eclipse. Yes, Eclipse deleting Eclipse folder deleted. A shortcut deleting. So this is Scala. Scala also using Eclipse only here. Scala Eclipse, not Java Eclipse. This is Scala Eclipse. Leave about it. Yes. C drive. Refresh. Now Eclipse. Yes, Eclipse also plays in C drive. Here C drive. Here Eclipse. Okay, after downloading from your Google Drive, you can download. Place in the C drive. Eclipse also plays in C drive. See, Eclipse and JDK different. Just observe that JDK its application means is installer. Yes, if it is application means double click next finish. If it is application, it's installer double click next finish. But what is Eclipse? Is a rar file, WinRAR file. It's a zip file. Just right click extract here. Right click extract. Okay, right click extract here, right click extract, just extracting, that's it here. It's a zip file. JDK is not, it's application, means what happens here, once you double click and installing, it will download. Yes, it's online, it will download, it will set up here. Yes, to run this one, internet required. To run this one, internet required, because it has to download here. It's a installer. Installer will download while installing, but Eclipse is not installer. It's a dump. Just it's a dump. Already downloaded. Already downloaded. See, JDK is not downloaded. Just it's an application that will download at the time of installation. Downloading installation. JDK is down. Yes, application means that will get download and installing. Downloading, installing. Yes, zip file means already downloaded file. Already downloaded. Not required download again here. Already downloaded. Now right click here, extract here. Extract here, right click, extract here. Now it's extracting. 1 second. 1 second. Yes, to get this WinRAR symbol here. WinRAR software you have to install. Yes, most of the students I observed. Yes, I have connected to previous many students systems here. They don't have WinRAR software. First of all, you must have WinRAR software. Install WinRAR software. Yes, you have to install WinRAR software. Otherwise, you can't extract these files. WinRAR software required every system, every student. I request everyone. First of all, you set up your WinRAR software. It's very simple. Download WinRAR. Yes, nothing is very simple. Yes, go to here. Download WinRAR. Yes, download WinRAR. Yes, WinRAR software. WinRAR software for Windows 10. Download WinRAR software. All WinRAR software, first one. WinRAR, these are WinRAR software. WinRAR. Not by, it's a freeware. Download WinRAR software. Download WinRAR software. So WinRAR required. Yes, commonly. This is very well known. Everyone must have WinRAR software. Because sometimes getting zip files. How can you extract your zip files? WinRAR software required. WinRAR software. Okay, WinRAR software required. Yes, after that, next Eclipse. Yes, place in seeder, now extract it here. Right click, extract here. Yes, why I'm saying this is, yes, I have connected to many students' computers. They taken help many times. Java installation. They are unable to extract this Eclipse. They are facing issue in extracting Eclipse. That time they contacted me. So reason was WinRAR, they don't have WinRAR software. Without WinRAR software, how can you extract? You can't extract. The zip file has to extract. So WinRAR software required. So first you install WinRAR software. Okay, after installing WinRAR software, see WinRAR software. This is it's up. See this also application. Double click. So WinRAR, yes, double click, yes. See this install. Next finish. Okay, WinRAR, after WinRAR, now Eclipse. Eclipse, right click, extract here. Yes, extracting Eclipse. Extracting Eclipse. Extracting Eclipse, see this. Here you can see Eclipse folder, right? Here this Eclipse folder. Refresh. Just refresh it. See the Eclipse folder. Eclipse folder. Double click and open. Here is Eclipse application. You can see Eclipse application here. Eclipse application here. Yes, right click, send to desktop. Send to desktop. See here is a shortcut. Create shortcut. Send to desktop will create shortcut, right? Send to desktop will create shortcut on desktop. Now go to desktop. Desktop. Okay, desktop here. Go to desktop here. Eclipse. Where is Eclipse software? Here it's there. Here it's there. Refresh. Sort the name. Refresh here. Scala. This is Eclipse. Eclipse shortcuts. Done. Eclipse done. Nothing. Eclipse is very simple. Right click, extract here. See type. Right click, Eclipse. Right click on Eclipse here. Extract here. that will generate Eclipse folder. Eclipse folder. Open that folder. Here's Eclipse shortcut icon. Eclipse icon. Right click, send to desktop. Send to desktop. Send to desktop. That will create shortcut on desktop. Go to desktop. See shortcut. Yes, one more shortcut created. Shortcut 2 created. Okay. Yes. Now, what is next steps? Done. Eclipse done. So Java installation completed. Eclipse setup completed here. Now steps to develop Java application. Not that steps. So what are steps here? Steps. Steps to setup. Steps to develop Java application. What are steps in this? Let's see all the steps here. Step one. Step one is create workspace. Create workspace. Create workspace. Step one, create workspace. Step one, you have to create workspace. After creating workspace, step two, yes, create a project. Just create a project. Create a project. Step two, create a project. Step two, create a project. Okay. Yes, create a project. After creating projects, step three, yes, create a yes, create workspace, create project, and create package. Create package, create package, create package. After creating package, next create class, create a class. Next is create methods, create methods. Okay, yes, 5 steps. Even 5 steps are very simple topic. It's not an issue. Okay, it's not a big. It's very simple topic. Very easy to understand. Create workspace, create projects, create a package, create a class, create methods. So these are the steps here. They are the steps required. So first, creating workspace. How to create workspace? Creating workspace. Creating workspace. How to create workspace? For this, you should launch Eclipse. Launch Eclipse. Launch Eclipse. First, you have to launch Eclipse here. Just go to desktop, launch Eclipse. Once again, Eclipse setup. Working with Eclipse. Hierarchy of Java projects. Workspace, project, package, classes, methods. Workspace, project, package, classes, methods. There are 5 steps. Create workspace. Launch Eclipse. Go to desktop. Launch Eclipse here. Okay. Go to desktop. Yes, launch. Launching Eclipse. Launching Eclipse. Once again, this goal is facing problem. Yes. How many? Select audio while joining. Select audio. That is missing. Select audio while joining. You have to select it. Select audio while joining. So workspace. See this launch Eclipse. Launching Eclipse. See Eclipse launched. See is asking for workspace. Workspace name. See this. Up to this is workspace location is workspace name. Workspace name itself is workspace. You can change that name here. So default location is C drive users MN right? That's login user. Login user is MN drive. But I don't want step. I want change location. Suppose location. So D drive. D drive. D drive. In D drive. Suppose here mnref folder is available. Here I want. And D drive mnref folder is available. Here I want. Here I want. How? D drive mnref. Here I want. D drive mnref. Simple here. Browse for location. Browse. Browse for location. What is location? D drive. This PC. D drive. Here mnref requirement. D drive mnref. Okay. mnref in this now backslash workspace name you have to give it. D drive mnref. After that backslash workspace name. Suppose workspace name is sample WS. WS means workspace. Okay. So click on OK. See this sample WS created. Folder created. WS. Why WS? To identify the workspace folder. Just to identify the workspace folder. Suppose don't have WS, what happens here? See this new folder. Suppose I'll use simply sample. What happens here? It's a sample regular folder, right? Suppose you don't have workspace WS, what happens? This looks like a regular folder. Yeah, this is a regular folder. This is workspace folder. Okay. To identify it, workspace. To identify it, yes, WS required. Only for identification purpose. Otherwise, not necessary. It's a rule standard. Yes, here at the end you have to mention WS. Means it's a workspace folder. It's a workspace folder. Okay, workspace folder created. See this launched Eclipse. Launched. Yes, see there's a welcome. Close welcome screen. Close welcome screen. Closed. Now this is your Eclipse. In this, so these are the adjustable frames. You can adjust as per your convenience here. See here adjustable frames. You can adjust as per your convenience here. As per the convenience, you can you can adjust it here. Adjust it. See Project Explorer. Project Explorer. Now here you have to create projects. See what are steps here. Workspace completed. The sample WS. So that workspace folder created, right? Yes, completed. Workspace completed. After finishing workspace, what is next step here? Create a project. Second step, creating project, right? Second step, creating projects. So how this is? Here this is a Project Explorer. Project Explorer. Go to here. Go to top of this here. Right click here. Right click new. Don't right click here. If right click here, it's a close option source. Okay, close. Yes, previous patch. Some guy. Yes, always trying here. He's able to see close, but he's not able to see new and all this, right? Many times tried, always close only here. Finally, he asked me. Yes, in WhatsApp. Yes, he asked me. So I explained very clearly. So that just support. Yes, support just to support given. So just don't click on. I said him, or don't click on. Go here, right? So this area, Project Explorer area. Okay, even you guys also facing any issues, just you can ping me. I can help you. In WhatsApp, anytime I can respond to you. Okay. So right click here, right click, new projects. Projects. In project now, Java project. Here this Java, right? Already here it's here at the top. Java projects. Java projects. Java projects. So click on next. Click on next. Yes, project name. Let us say test is a project name. Test is a project name. See, use execution environment GRE 1.8, right? This showing directly it's showing 1.8. What's the reason? Yes, we did the Java home setup, right? Java home. So previously here Java home, right? So we did setup for Java home, right? So because of Java home equal to that 1.8. Yes, already we have set. So because of Java home path, it's able to pick up this. It's able to pick the 1.8. See, at the time of launching Eclipse, Eclipse looking for the Java home. At the time of launching Eclipse, see this Java home. On launching Eclipse, it checks for Java home and integrates JDK with Eclipse. On launching Eclipse, it checks for Java home, checking for Java home. So Java home, yes, it was set to this location, Java home, set to C drive. Yes, project folder, sorry, C drive, program files, yes, Java folder, JDK. The Java home set to this location. So from this location, picking JDK. Yes, that Eclipse will pick the JDK here and links with this. Links with this. That's the reason automatically getting 1.8. Automatically 1.8. After that, finish. Project name finish. Say yes. No. It's creating. Yes, created. Project created. After open this, open project, see this JRE system library. See all Java library. Automatically linked to projects. Linked. Reason because of Java home. Because of Java home. Okay. Yes. So what is next step? So workspace completed, project completed. Next package, create a package. Create a package, creating package. So creating package. So what is next step? Creating package. Open that project. So this SRC, go to SRC. Open project, go to SRC, right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. New package. So right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. New package name. Yes, how to choose package name? How to choose package name? Yes, see package name. Package name must be lowercase. First point must be lowercase. First point package name must be lowercase. See package name starting with either com or org. Com means company. Org means organization. Com means company. Org means organization. Yes, tell me what is company? What is organization? Any idea? Company, organization, what is the difference? Yes, come on, guys. Company and organization, what's the difference? Yes, yes, Mr. Venu Babu, working for some company, right? What is company? What is organization? Come on, guys. Anyone idea? What is company? What is organization? What is company? What is organization? Yes, come on. Atul Agarwal. Come on. Aditya. Anusha. Come on, come on. Company, organization. What? Yes, you can ping in chat box. Your answers you can ping in chat box. If unable to speak, you can ping in chat box. Yes, Mr. Mallish. Malli Naresh. Malli Naresh. Organization is a group. Okay. Next others. See, comments company organization difference is here. Company is a profit based. All our employees. Organization is service based. Yes, no profits. Not expecting for any profits. Non-profit oriented here. A company is a profit oriented. Company is a profit oriented. Organization is non-profit oriented. In company, all are employees. In organization, all are volunteers. Organization, all are volunteers. For example, NGO organization, right? Suppose some group of people registering under NGO. Some group of people registering under NGO. That is organization. No profit. That is non-profitable. Okay, is the organization. All are volunteers. Yes. Com dot. Next client name. Client name dot. Next project name. Project name. Project name dot module. Module. So this is syntax. For example, here. For example, company com dot client. For which client you working here? Your payroll company different, client is different. Payroll company different, client is different. So in my case, payroll company some Silotech Private Limited, but the client is PayPal. PayPal is the client name. PayPal dot project name. What's a project name? Payment gateway. Payment gateway. Project name is payment gateway. dot what's a module? A module or receive module, okay, or some update module, something like this. That module, suppose let us say pay module like this. That's it. So this is com dot client name dot project name dot module name. That's it here. Suppose for example here com dot yes Durga. I'm using for Durga because working for Durgasoft. Okay, training. Okay, dot. Suppose M enter my name I'm using here. Just a test. So com dot Durga dot M enter dot test. That's it. So package created. Package created. Simply package created. After creating package, what is next step here? So package is done. After creating package, next create a class. Create a class. Next step is create a class. Yes, create a class. How to create class here? Same right click. Always right click, next, right click new, right click new, right click new. Now it's a class, right? It's a class name, class. Suppose class name is test T caps. Yes, starting with uppercase compulsory. That class name should start with uppercase alphabet. That reason we'll discuss. I'll explain. Test T finish. Yes, see this. The test class created. Test class created here. Now this very small font, right? Yes, that font says yes, you can change your wish. That is. Suppose to change font size, right click anywhere in this window, right click anywhere here. This is preferences, general appearance, colors and fonts, Java, yes, Java editor text fonts, editor, bold, yes, here 18 is okay enough, okay, apply, okay, done, completed. Yeah, don't worry, these are all the steps repeatedly getting, okay, here. Yes, after that, now main methods, public, static, byte, main method, open bracket, string s caps, string square brackets, or args, string area args, starting main methods. In this system dot out dot println to display some output on screen here. Out dot println like a printf in C language. It's like a printf in C language. Hello world, right? Hello world, hello world. After semicolon at the end, Control S, save it. Control S, save it. Or else here this save button, save option you can save here. Click on save. Or else Control S. Now how to run this here? So this program is to display hello world. So this is like a printf in C language, displaying hello world. Right click run as Java application. Yes, right click on main methods. Right click on main method, run as Java application. See that. Hello world, right? Hello world output. This font size also you can change. How to change it? Same here. Right click, same preferences, same general here, appearance, colors, fonts. See, previous is Java font. Now it's a basic font output, basic purpose, basic text font, editor. Yes, font name okay. Bold font still better go for bold. You can see very clearly. 16 size okay. Okay, apply. See that output. Okay, that's it. Okay, so next system yes caps system dot out dot println system dot out dot println yes welcome to Java world semicolon right control S saved after saving now right click run as yes hello world welcome to Java world. That's it, done. Okay, yes, let us repeat all the steps. Exit, go to file menu, exit. Yes, that is closed. So steps, first creating workspace. How to create workspace? Launch Eclipse. First launch Eclipse. Launch Eclipse. Launching Eclipse. Yes, launch it. Now location. Workspace location. Suppose I want another location. Suppose another location. Suppose C drive I want. C drive project folder. Here the sample folder. Here I want. In sample folder I want. So what's over here? C drive project and sample. The browse for C drive. In C drive here, project folder in that sample. Browse for that location. C drive project and sample. Project sample and browse for that location. Okay. So click on OK. Then it's OK. Sorry, 1 second. Sorry, 1 second. The workspace name is not given. Yes, workspace name not given. We should give the workspace name. It's yes, C drive project sample in this backward slash workspace. Support test WS. Yes, test WS already there. Let me remove old one. Yes, test WS is creating now. Test WS, yes, created now. 8:39 p.m. Just created. Launching Eclipse. Yes, workspace created. Yes, Maximus. Yes, close welcome screen. Now project explorer. So in this, let's create a project. See project. Right click here. New project. Java project. Select Java project. Click on next. Click on suppose project name is test. Yes, 1.8 default getting because of Java form. So click on finish. Say yes. Completed. The test project completed. Test completed. Okay. Yes. After creating project, what is next step here? Create a package. Next step, create a package. So expand, go to SRC. Right click, new package. Package name. Yes, com dot Durga dot. Yes, MR dot some ABC package. ABC. Finish. Package created. See same steps expand document here. Last workspace. Create a project. Right click on project explorer area. New project, Java project. Next project name. Yes, environment. Step 3. Package. Right click on SRC. New package. Package name. Lowercase. Com or words. Com means company. Words means organization. Com dot. This is. Next, create a class. Right click on package. New class. Class name test.java. See this test.java. Yes. Okay, so right click on this package, new class. Yes, it test tcaps. Tcaps, finish. See again small fonts there because that workspace changed. Suppose if it's same workspace, yes, getting that font, but it's a new workspace. That workspace changed. Workspace changed means properties will change. So here preferences, general appearance, colors font, general appearance, colors fonts, Java font, Java text editor font, edit, bold. Okay, suppose 18. So click on OK, apply, then OK. That's it here. So after this, now system, yes, main methods, public, yes, main methods, main control space, automatically getting this. See, in Eclipse, some shortcuts available. Eclipse will generate code automatically. There are some shortcuts available. Okay, after keyword, yes, type main keywords, main control space, main word control space, hold on control key, then space bar, control space bar. Yes, automatic main method. Okay. So automatically getting main methods. Okay. Yes, main after main control space. No space without any space immediately here after n. Hold and control key then space bar. Space bar. Control key space bar. See. First option main right. First option default selected. The enter key generated. Next system dot out dot syswo control space. Syswo control space. Control space println. Okay, in this, yes, hello world, hello world like this. So any word type any word control space. Suppose while loop I want while control space that while getting automatically. So while getting automatic so while loop right like this here. Suppose if statement I want if control space yes if okay if control space that if statement getting automatically here. Suppose for loop control space for loop. See that for loop generating automatically like this. There are some shortcuts. System dot out dot syswo. System dot out dot syswo. Control space. Yes. Println. Okay. Yes. Welcome to Java world. Welcome to Java world, right? Now save here. Save button. Here save button or else control yes. Like a notepad, it's working like a notepad. Control yes. Select all. Control X cut. Control V paste. Okay. Yes. Control C for copy. Control S for save. Same like a notepad. Same like a notepad. Now right click. How to run this? Right click. Run as Java application. Yes. Hello world. Welcome to Java world. Right. Data change font size. The output font preferences. General appearance, colors and fonts. Yes, in this basic font. The basic font. Text fonts. Edit bold. Yes, 16 is okay. Okay. Apply. Then okay. Done. Completed. Now, yes, this closed here. Yes, I want one more project. Right click, new, and same in the same workspace, you can create one more project, new Java projects or projects, Java projects. Next. Now, project name is sample projects. Sample projects. Project name is sample projects. So finish. Finish. See that sample project created. Sample project created. Open that. After what is next step for creating project? What is next step here? Package. Go to SRC. Go to SRC. Go to SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. New package. New package. Com dot. Yes. Durga. Durga dot. mn dot. From XYZ package. So finish. So package created. Now in this class, right click. New class. Suppose class name is sample class. Sample class. Class name is sample. Finish. Yes, sample class created. Just place the cursor inside the class. Main control space. Control space. Automatic main method, right? Syswo. System dot out dot control space. Yes, control space, right? Yes. Hello world. Hello world. Control S, save it. Now right click. See this fonts is automatically getting here. Yes, not required to change setting again here. It's a workspace level setting. Workspace level setting. So right click, run as Java application. Hello. So repeating once again. Sample project, test projects. Let us see one more project here. Right click in same workspace. Right click new another project. Another project. Java projects. So click on next. So project name is, let us say demo is the project name. Demo is the project name. So default selected is 1.8. Then finish. Create a demo project. Open demo project. Yes, what is next step? Package. Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. Yes, package name. Yes, com dot. Yes, Durga dot mn dot. Suppose some test package. So finish. Created. Package created. Now right click. Next what? Class. After package, next class. Right click, new class. Suppose class name is demo class. Demo. Okay. Yes, finish the demo, right? Place the cursor here. Main control space. Control space enter key. See, first one selected here already. Enter key. So main was syswo control space. Syswo control space. Syswo control space. Yes, control space. See, first one selected default. Enter key. Then hello world. Hello Java world. Hello Java world. Control S, save it. Control S for save. Now right click, run as Java application. That's it. So these are the steps in this. Okay. To close this Eclipse, file exit. Go to exit here. File exit. File exit. Yes, same. All the steps are the document. Just you can follow document here. Okay. I think you can do this, right? Yes, in document it says very clearly. Even repeatedly explained for 3 times almost. Okay. Right. Okay. Yes, tomorrow you try to install it. Today already night 9 o'clock. Tomorrow try it. So before, yes, I'll share the document. Okay, document and Eclipse, everything I'll share it. So tomorrow try it. Tomorrow just to try it, I'll share this. Tomorrow morning I'll share it. You can try it. Yes, I'll talk to online team. I'll share by 12 o'clock tomorrow just to try it. Okay. Yes. Any doubts? Yes, guys. Any doubts? Yes, you don't worry, guys. Every topic repeatedly I'll be explaining.
So
Every
tomorrow same time?
Yeah, same time, 7:30, no change.
Okay.
Till end
Okay.
of batch, no changes.
Okay.
Till end of the batch is same time, 7:30 only. No change in your time. Okay, 7:30 only is a fixed one. Yeah, thank you. Yes, see you tomorrow. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.